多谢军评来关心战争的消息。俄罗斯呢讲话无算话，对乌克兰北部继续咧轰炸。不过乌克兰南部这个马里坡将实施停火，并且伫台北时间，也就是今日下晡3点开一条人道走廊，和民众赶紧撤离马里坡。虽然俄罗斯讲话无讲信用，不过乌克兰依然无放弃谈判。双方将伫4月7日，也就是明仔载要举行线顶的谈判。美国上新的情报资料显示，讲俄罗斯的幕僚可能要甲普丁总统讲，双方战争实际进行。普丁嘛唔知讲被派到前线，这俄罗斯士兵死伤的真相，抑有世界这个西方世界制裁的情形，伊嘛唔知影。白宫是表示讲，这显示这场战争就是战略的错误。
俄罗斯部队雷攻战失败，乌克兰战术一直拖，俄军随猛退离开基辅，嘛是歪绑乌克兰线。
The Pentagon reports in the last 24 hours, they've seen around 20% of Russia's forces that had been moving against Kyiv repositioning, with some heading to Belarus.
I'm using reposition on purpose because the way it's being spun by the Ministry of Defense is that they're pulling back and they're trying to de-escalate and depressurize the situation, and we just don't believe we haven't seen any evidence of that.
俄军退离开基辅，讲是一个阻碍奥步。
Целью перегруппировки российских вооруженных сил является активизация действий на приоритетных направлениях и, прежде всего, завершение операции по полному освобождению Донбасса.
The U.S. believes that Russian President Vladimir Putin is being misinformed by his advisors about how badly the Russian military is performing in Ukraine.
这是美国白宫特别解读一份精粹机密，嘛讲普丁的军事幕僚真惊伊，惊敢唔敢讲出真相，互普丁判断唔对。
We have information that Putin felt misled by the Russian military, which has resulted in persistent tension between Putin and his military leadership.
It's certainly one outcome of that could be a less than faithful effort at negotiating some sort of settlement here.
误判结果可能让这场战争愈拖愈久、愈折磨，为全世界带来愈侪灾厄。
生生不息，宏观视野，我是申宏。想要看体育新闻，就要赶快看华视新闻，赶快按赞、分享、开启小铃铛哦。